order to give an innovative product. Right? Finally, testing. As I mentioned, you can create a prototype and test. And similarly, once a product is also been developed, right, you can have one user member within your team. For example, if you're developing a product with 4 members in a team, right, one person can act as an end user. That person can tell complete feedback of the product, whatever you are developing, and that feedback can be then given back to the system, right? You can reframe, rework on it, and give a kind of a good product solution. So the person who's taking up the role of an end user or a customer has to be very clearly should give a feedback in such a way that whatever the user is feeling, they should feel and give a feedback, right? So it can be hard and difficult kind of a feedback that a person is giving, but the others should take it in the right sense, and they have to develop the solution or recreate the solution in a very fine way. Then the next one, after having one person in your team as an end user, acting as an end user, now you are stepping on to the next level where you are giving it to a sample of customers or a clients, right? We call it as a beta testing. Ask them to give a feedback of the product, whatever you have developed, and with their feedback, you can fine tune your solution. So before your product is getting onto the market, you have to do this exercise for sure. That the prototype, and then finally your testing. Testing happening in 2 different ways. One of your team member is acting as an end user and giving a feedback. The other one, you're taking a sample population of a customer, giving them a beta test run to give a feedback of your potential solution, and then again you're refining your product solution. So these steps will ensure that you're giving a very good product to the entire society, right? Let me give on some examples.